Welcome back to Nomad Engine. There are motorhomes that simply get you where you need to go. And then there are those that make every journey feel like a destination in itself. The 2026 Coachmen Leprechaun belongs firmly in the latter. A name that's long been synonymous with dependable adventure has now been reimagined into something far more refined. A perfect fusion of comfort, craftsmanship, and quiet capability. This isn't just an RV. It's a moving expression of balance between family travel and luxury living, between power and peace. From the moment it comes into view, the Leprechaun draws you in. There's a harmony in its proportions, a confidence in its stance. It's built on the legendary Ford E450 chassis, and that foundation alone gives it a sense of purpose, sturdy, grounded, ready for whatever road lies ahead. But what truly captivates you is the design language. The 2026 redesign gives the Leprechaun a modern aerodynamic edge with smoother front lines, LED running lights that slice cleanly through daylight, and a sleek front cap that flows into the roof like sculpture in motion. Chrome accents shimmer along the grille, balanced perfectly by blacked-out detailing around the headlights. It feels elevated, composed, and unmistakably premium, yet still approachable. As you walk around it, the sense of craftsmanship becomes clearer with every step. The high-gloss fiberglass exterior reflects the environment like liquid silver. The power awning, now edged with integrated LED lighting, extends silently, creating a cool shaded terrace in seconds. You notice the flush-mounted frameless windows, tinted, elegant, and seamless, that give the sides a continuous, almost architectural look. The underbody storage compartments open with soft hydraulic hinges, revealing deep, organized bays finished with marine-grade liners. Everything feels deliberate, purposeful, built not for show, but for the long haul. And then there's the signature touch that has defined the Leprechaun legacy, that subtle, almost playful curve of the overcab design, giving it both personality and aerodynamic benefit. It's one of those rare vehicles that looks equally at home on a coastal highway as it does parked quietly beneath mountain pines. Open the door and the tone shifts instantly, from admiration to awe. The world outside fades, replaced by a calm, elegant interior that feels like a boutique suite on wheels. The 2026 Leprechaun interior is an evolution of luxury that doesn't forget its roots. The design philosophy here is warmth over flash, comfort over excess. You're greeted by handcrafted cabinetry in rich maple or driftwood finishes, accented by brushed nickel hardware that gleams subtly under ambient lighting. The floors are a durable yet elegant vinyl plank, cool underfoot, running seamlessly through the living space. Every line, every seam has been finished with the kind of care you can feel. A tactile assurance that this is built to last. The living area flows naturally, inviting conversation and rest. To one side, the reclining theater seating faces a 39-inch smart TV set within a sleek entertainment console. The walls are lined with woven acoustic fabric, soft to the touch and designed to absorb road noise. A large panoramic window bathes the space in natural light during the day, and by night, the LED track lighting above transitions into a soft golden hue, transforming the cabin into a cocoon of serenity. The kitchen continues that same harmony between function and form. The solid surface countertops gleam softly under recessed ceiling lights, their subtle marbling catching reflections like quiet water. There's a stainless steel farmhouse sink with a pull-down faucet an induction cooktop, and a convection microwave that blends seamlessly into the cabinetry. The full-sized residential refrigerator hums quietly, trimmed to match the surrounding woodwork. Every handle, every hinge, moves with precision, no rattles, no loose edges. You can tell this is a space designed for those who cook, not just those who travel. Move towards the rear, and the bedroom suite feels like the heart of the home. A queen-size bed sits beneath a crown of soft ambient lighting, flanked by 2 wardrobes and overhead cabinets that blend storage with style. The headboard features a subtle, upholstered panel, textured and warm. Beneath your feet, the underbed compartment offers hidden storage for long trips, while reading lamps glow with gentle precision. It's quiet, cozy, and deeply inviting, a space made not just for sleeping, but for unwinding. The bathroom, compact but elegant, carries the same thoughtful craftsmanship. A glass shower enclosure with brushed chrome trim, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with backlit mirror give the sense of hotel-grade refinement in miniature. Even the shower walls, with their subtle stone-patterned inlay, feel designed to calm you. It's small, yes, but it doesn't feel limited. It feels intentional. And yet, for all this serenity, the Leprechaun is no stranger to the open road. Underneath all that elegance beats the heart of a capable traveler. The 7.3-liter Ford V8 engine delivers over 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque, paired with Ford's torque-shift automatic transmission. Smooth, commanding, and built for endurance. The ride is stable and surprisingly quiet, thanks to improved insulation and upgraded suspension geometry. It corners with calm confidence, its weight balanced perfectly across all 6 wheels. On the highway, the Leprechaun feels less like a motorhome and more like a well-tuned SUV in spirit, responsive steering, firm braking, and a cabin that isolates you from the chaos outside. Even in crosswinds or uneven terrain, the automatic stability control and traction systems work silently in the background, keeping you composed and in control. The driving experience is further enhanced by modern technology. A digital cockpit with a 10-inch infotainment display, integrated navigation, and 360-degree camera system that makes even tight campground maneuvers effortless. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure alerts, and blind spot monitoring bring an added layer of comfort, reminding you that safety here isn't an afterthought, it's a philosophy. And when you finally park, that sense of purpose continues. The auto-leveling jacks deploy with near silence. The cabin lighting dims automatically. The air conditioning hums softly as the exterior LED strips cast a gentle glow onto the pavement below. You step out, take a breath of cool evening air, and realize this. This is what travel should feel like. For all its features, craftsmanship, and technology, the 2026 Coachmen Leprechaun remains surprisingly attainable. Prices start around $150,000 depending on layout and options, positioning it as one of the most refined yet practical Class C motorhomes in its range. It's not the most expensive, nor does it try to be. Instead, it earns its worth through thoughtfulness, reliability, and the subtle artistry of execution. Each model is built with care in Middlebury, Indiana, not mass-produced, but assembled with a precision that carries the weight of Coachmen's 60-year legacy. The result is something that feels timeless, a motorhome that celebrates both the journey and the stillness between them. Whether you're parked under a desert sky or rolling through mountain passes, The Leprechaun has that rare quality of disappearing beneath the experience, letting the road, the view, and the feeling of motion take center stage. When the engine quiets, when the last light fades, the 2026 Leprechaun stands in perfect stillness, not as a vehicle but as a companion. A reminder that sometimes the best kind of luxury is the kind that makes you feel at home, no matter where you are. And that's the story of the 2026 Coachmen Leprechaun, a motorhome built on trust, refined through innovation, and perfected for those who believe that travel isn't just movement, it's meaning. If you enjoyed this cinematic review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Nomad Engine, where every journey begins with inspiration and every mile feels like a story. Until next time, keep your wheels steady and your spirit free.